1285 Greenwich. Current condition we're in, but you see we've taken it down to the studs in order to rebuild and ensure that the product is in excellent condition for the new owners. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a living room. I'd say this is a parlor area. In the historic West End, we had to keep some original detailing. Therefore, you do have the side porch on the front of this house. On that side, you'll be able to go out to it. But we have the side porch, we have a fireplace, which will remain intact here in the sitting area, the parlor area, opening up to our dining area and kitchen. On the side of the dining area and kitchen, you do have a pantry in here. No, it is not a laundry closet, but will be a real pantry here. And this is where we begin. We have a little entry to 2 bedrooms, huge bedrooms. One could be served as an office because it is here off the front, but it'll be a full bedroom with closet, full bathtub, another full bedroom here with closet, nice window spacing. The good thing about this home, you really do not have to substitute an office for a bedroom or a bedroom for an office, because you'll see we have an area where you can make an office, which is totally awesome. This is what I love about this house, our build out and addition to a family room. You have a real family room here. In addition to your parlor room, sitting area off the front door with the original part of the house and details. In the back we're going to tie it in pretty seamlessly. The parlor room area. The family room area. And you have your side deck here. Side deck, entry out to that. Off the rear, you'll have another bedroom. Here's a bathroom here, full bathroom. This is what I'm talking about, which will be a really cool office space. You have access here also to the deck. So that's going to be a cool office space for someone. And you have a full laundry room. So again, you're not sharing space with anything or substituting space for anything. Everything has its place. There's a place for everything in its designated area. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 off the rear. Large bedrooms. And my favorite room, this would be the master suite. Look at these ceilings. Look how high. What is that, like 15 feet ceilings? I'm loving it. You have windows, you have wall space for your bed, wall space for TV, for a dresser, and in your master suite you have a full bathroom, separate tub and shower. Yes, you don't have to choose one or the other. You will get a tub and shower here. Dual vanity sinks. Dual vanity sinks on either side. So, and a large walk-in closet. I'm so proud of the renovation this owner is doing to this property, and I can't wait to bring it to market so that you can see all the hard work and the love that has gone into this house. No cutting corners. They are truly earning their list price here on this property. And we're bringing it to the market, all of this at what I think is very reasonable and affordable for our historic West End area. So you get all of this, and we're listing at $515. So $515 here in the historic West End, and you'll be able to see why it is worth every penny of that, if not more. in comparison to many of the other homes that have recently been listing and have recently sold. The owners of this property will know that they're getting a home with equity and a home that they can enjoy for many years.